You get what you think about, whether you want it or not. Hard work and determination are incredibly important, but they are only half of the equation. It isn't just about working hard, it's about allowing your hard work to work for you. Of course, you are responsible for pointing yourself in the direction of your dreams and working towards them. Effort is a big part of the equation, but it's not all of it. How many of us doubt ourselves and our abilities to succeed? It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter and being confident in yourself, your knowledge and your competency. Most of us miss this subtlety and end up in an arduous struggle against ourselves. But once you believe in yourself, you can create the life of your dreams by bending the rules of the game to your advantage. The universe is a big Xerox machine. The universe photocopies your words, thoughts, and actions, and sends them back to you as your next experience. Ask yourself, what are you thinking? What are you saying? What are you doing? The energy and thought forms you are putting out into the world reverberate back to you. So, if you focus on something that isn't working in your life, you are increasing the likelihood of its progression. Putting your energy into something unwanted gives you that which is unwanted. This isn't about Murphy's Law. If there's a possibility that something will go wrong, it isn't just probable that it will go wrong, it is imminent. This is because you have built considerable momentum behind the thought that it will go wrong, so it does. Remember, you get what you think about, whether you want it or not. If you want something, feel like you already have it. Because you get what you focus on, why not focus your thoughts on your desires instead of your fears? Picture yourself having everything you want. If you focus on what you want to create, you build momentum behind those thoughts. We live in a universe in which like attracts like. We are not separate from the rules of the universe. Everything that exists attracts a similar vibration. So, here you stand, lamenting your financial situation all the way back to your childhood. All the while, the universe is simply sending back your thoughts, words and actions as your next experience. And you're surprised that things aren't turning out in your favor? You are surprised that you aren't attracting abundance? It's about attraction, not action. Focus on your well-being and the knowledge that you deserve all the abundance that the universe has to offer, and your riches will flow. They flow not because you took any specific action, they flow because you were willing to allow yourself the great gift of feeling worthy.